What is the Islamic view about animals used in places of entertainment, for example in zoos or circuses, for the amusement of others?
There is a verse of the Holy Quran which says, وَإِذَا الْوُحُوشُ حُشِرَتْ. When the wild animals would be gathered together. So it's not in vain, this prophecy. If not for anything else, just to see the prophecy of the Quran fulfilled, we should visit these places, but not the filth which goes along with it. So instead of circuses alone, we should visit the zoos, etc. But in circus, there are two additional things in which we may be interested. We may be, but we should not be interested in, maybe. One is the role of girls and women and all that, and they're dancing and they're exposing themselves. This is not Islamic. But the way they train the animals, that is, according to the Quran, we can see the Quranic light on the potentials of animals which have not been traced before. So that point is good and the first point is bad. But how can you escape other things and reach the right things? This is the problem. By way of a joke which highlights this problem, one man was watching a circus show with great keenness. What was happening was that a lion was shown to put his paw over the head of a lady, and the lady put her hand over the head of the lion. So everybody said, well done, clapped. There's one man who objected to this. It's easy, I can do that. So they said, how can you do that? Show us. He said, turn the lion out and then I'll do it. He thought the problem was, how can I put my hand on the lady's head and she on my hand? Because he was entirely attracted by the lady and he disregarded the lion altogether. So that is what happens, unfortunately.